My channel today, my friend is gonna be rating my fidgets, and yeah, pick one.
6 out of 10.
Okay. I got this yesterday.
Where's the third one?
Oh, I gave it away.
2?
It was bad. Okay, go.
The sushi.
They're still rising too.
Cool.
Okay, now what do you rate it?
5.
Okay. Okay, wait. Nope. We're on this. It's puppets are way better on hard.
This sucks.
So that's the bad side. Okay, now I like the good side. What was that?
6.
Okay.
Can I open it?
Mhm.
I can't.
Just you have to twist it, but that's okay.
You could have told me that. What does this do?
It's supposed to be magnetic putty when but it's not.
I wish I was wearing my ring. Oh, I like this. 8.
Okay.
That's heavy. Is this real silver?
Mhm. No, it's not. Bella, you famous, little baby. Can you like get out of here? I'm filming. Oh, here, go. I'm sorry.
6.
Oh, 6. Okay.
I gave this to you.
Yeah.
1 out of 10. Oh, I like this.
Put it down so they can see it.
6. No, 7. So 1 out of 10?
Okay.
I change. I like this.
So cute.
7.
Okay, you keep reading anything 7.
I'm doing 5, 6, and oh.
You can do 10.
Yeah, I know.
My friend scammed me with that. It's putty.
I know. I know. 0 out of 10. Oh, I love this thing. An 8 out of 10.
Okay, this is the highest one so far.
Where's my thing I gave you?
What?
The ice cream puppet.
Oh, I gave it.
Away?
No, not that. I forgot where it was. I know where it is.
9 out of 10.
Oh, yeah. My dad got me this at Five Below. Okay.
Best thing ever. 10 out of 10.
Yes. And by the way, guys, my birthday is on July 6th. So, yeah.
That's not your real birthday.
Uh-huh.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
That was July 25th.
Wait, what?
I'm not kidding.
Okay. Thank you.
I like this. I have my own, but I like this color.
It feels nice.
8 out of 10.
Okay. These are the top
Chinese
ones.
finger trap.
Don't break it though.
A 2 out of 10.
Yeah, it's kind of broken.
Mini fidget spinner.
Put it down. Look. It still worked.
5 out of 10. Oh, I love this one. I love the color.
Bad side.
Did you get most of these from Five Below?
No.
Oh, I love this.
I got some of them on Amazon.
9 out of 10.
These top one.
Is this the bad side?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm like, it sucks if it's the good side.
And it's a bracelet. It goes like, yeah.
Oh, I don't like that. 6 out of 10.
It's a textured monkey now.
This is a photo.
It's a doggy.
Oh.
Let go. See, look, it's textured monkey now.
I wonder when these at Walmart. Did you get this at Walmart?
No, I traded it.
Oh.
My friend gave it to me. What would you rate that?
8 out of 10.
So would you rate this 8 too?
9.
Oh, 9.
I'm not rating anything 10 right now. Unicorn.
That's the bad side.
6 out of 10. I don't like unicorns. Oh, you got new emojis?
Mhm.
That is so cute.
I've had that one.
I want this.
And let me show you the No. My favorite one of all time. I have a hippo. Wait, you have to pick one at a time.
Okay.
Here's this guy. What would you rate these mochis? Yay, you're breaking him.
I'm not.
This is my favorite one.
Okay, I have to rate all of them. 9, 8, 7, 5.
This one's 9. Why'd you rate the DNA ball?
I had one of these. And it popped. 10. Oh no. 8.
So did you rate this one a 9? This mochi a 9? Okay.
This is your favorite color.
What's the bad side?
Do you still have my puppet? No, you don't. Like, yeah, I took it back.
Which one? Mickey Mouse? The cupcake?
No.
The cupcake
The
one?
good one.
Yeah, I still
9.
have it.
You do?
Yeah.
My rainbow one?
Uh-huh.
No, you don't. My circle rainbow one?
No.
I was like, what?
The bad side. I got this yesterday too.
Where did you get it? Options? And be on the blackboard?
No, I got my friend traded it to me. I did teacher training yesterday. What would you rate that one?
8.
What did you rate this one?
A 9.
Oh, 9.
I think it's so exactly.
What? No. Six, okay.
That's not the top one.
Oh yeah, this is another favorite one.
That's mine.
No, it's not.
Did I give that to you? I think I did.
Oh yeah, you did. No, my friend Alex gave it to me.
That Alex?
No, I made that one a snapper.
Oh, texture mark.
What would you rate this one?
I have no idea.
You want me to make it the snapper quick?
Sure.
Okay. So, you hold the camera. I can't show anything. So okay. So technically, you just go like 3, bend, 3, bend, 3, bend, and you just keep bending. Okay. Just bending.
Is it okay if it shows your hair?
Yeah.
Okay.
already kind of told them my hair color.
My hair's dirty blonde.
So then you connect it. It's supposed to look like this, and you just.
How's that a snapper? Oh.
I'll read that one.
8 out of 10. Nanny Pop do.
So what did you rate these 2 out of 10?
Oh. 8. 8 and 7.
This one's 7.
8, 7.
I rate her 1,000,000. You're 1,000,000.
I rate her.
You're infinity trilogy.
I rate her 100.
I rate you 1,000,000.
I rate this as 5.
So that means you rate all these, then you put 2 to 5. Yeah.
Gamble. A 0.
Why?
It's a unicorn.
Just because it's a unicorn doesn't mean it's bad. Okay, what would you rate those 3?
5.
What?
No, wait, no, 5. Wait. 5, 7. I gave this. No, I didn't.
You didn't give that.
I was about to say I gave this to you, but I didn't. 7.
7? Okay, that means you rate this 7.
Who gave me one of these?
So what would you rate that?
I haven't stretched them. Do you know how to make a bracelet? Like a friendship bracelet?
No.
I can make us one.
I don't care. Okay. Yeah. I thought you meant out of those. I'm like, I don't care.
Well, I'm not gonna make one of this.
Okay.
I could.
Okay, guys, that's all for today. I'm gonna.
5.
That's all for today, guys. I'm gonna do part 2. So yeah, please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, and please, and have a good day. Bye.